This is Restrictly part number 5, part 5. As y'all can see, that's what it's looking like. And now I'm just mixing it all in and all together. So guys, if you like this video, please leave that down in the comments because I really like my videos. And now I'm just mixing up here. I mixed all of that stuff. Now I'm adding a little more liquid starch to make it non-sticky, so it's not sticky. And now I'm just mixing it in, and the slime is going to turn out really prettiful and beautiful. So guys, if you like this video, please leave that down in the comments. I love this video. So my hair is so messed up, but it's so clean. I mean, I washed my hair, but that's not what this video is about. So let's continue to mix this slime that we have now got up. So guys, yeah, this is all this video is about. Let me show you all the other slimes I made. But hold on guys.